Ever walk away from a conversation thinking, ugh, why didn't I say just what I really wanted to say? Let's fix that today. In this short video, I'm breaking down the real reasons you struggle to speak up for yourself and exactly how to change that starting now. My name's Monique Warotny, and I help people rise above self-doubt, reclaim their voice, and thrive in every area of life through coaching, community, and a whole lot of honest conversation. Reason one, you may not speak up. You weren't taught to value your voice. Many people struggle to speak up simply because no one ever taught them that their voice mattered. If growing up you were told to be nice, don't make a fuss, or keep the peace, your brain learns silence equals safety. Does it feel easier to just avoid conflict than to say what you actually need? That conditioning can show up now in relationships, work, and friendships, leaving you feeling invisible or unheard. Start by acknowledging this is conditioning, not a character flaw. Practice one small statement daily, like, actually, I prefer. Your voice strengthens through repetition. Reason two, you prioritize others' comfort over your own needs. You become the designated easy one. You jump to accommodate. You soften your opinions. You say yes before your brain even checks the calendar. Do you catch yourself apologizing even when you did nothing wrong? The resentment builds quietly and eventually explodes or turns inward as self-criticism. Start asking yourself, what would make me comfortable here? Then state it simply, not passive, not aggressive, just honest. Reason three, you may not speak up. You fear backlash, rejection, or being misunderstood. Speaking up triggers your survival instincts. Studies show our brains process social rejection like physical pain. No wonder your system goes into don't rock the boat mode. Have you ever rehearsed what you want to say and then said nothing? That fear traps your communication and you walk away feeling small or powerless. Use the one sentence courage rule. One clear sentence that expresses your need or boundary. You don't need a speech. You just need one moment of courage. Reason four, you're afraid of being too much. You've learned to shrink yourself so others feel bigger. Maybe you've been labeled sensitive, dramatic, or intense. Do you water down your emotions to keep the vibe light? You end up abandoning your needs before anyone else even gets the chance to hear them. Replace I don't want to be too much with I'm allowed to take up space. Practice saying one thing without softening it. And reason five, you may not be speaking up. You're not sure how to communicate clearly. Most people were never taught healthy assertiveness. We know passive and we know aggressive, but assertive communication, that one's a mystery. Do you worry you'll come off rude or hurt someone's feelings if you're direct? That uncertainty keeps you frozen, overthinking every line in your head. Use this simple formula. Here's what I need. Here's why it matters. And here's what would support me. Short, specific, respectful, effective. If this helped you feel more confident about using your voice, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment about which reason resonated most with you, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to rise and thrive with you.